Hey guys, it's almost Super Bowl time, so we're going to get you game day ready today with some football strawberries. It doesn't get any better than chocolate-covered strawberries, and we're going to show you how to dress those up to look like footballs. Head over to the kitchen, I'll meet you there.
For this recipe, you will need 1 package of firm, fresh strawberries, chocolate candy quick or melting wafers, and 1 tube of white decorating icing. Unwrap your chocolate. Hopefully it came with a microwavable tray and you can just put it right into the microwave. You're going to microwave it for 60 seconds, take it out, stir it up. If it needs to be continued to be melted, just put it back in the microwave for 30 second to 1 minute increments. Once it comes out, be sure you stir it well, and then you can dip your strawberries in the chocolate and swirl around. Wipe off any excess chocolate to prevent a mess, and then you're going to place it on parchment paper to dry. This is the fun and creative part. You're going to make 1 vertical line down the center of the strawberry, and then you're going to draw lines across that center line to make it look like a football. The great thing is if you mess up, that's okay. You can wipe it off and start again. Thanks for watching. Be sure you share your football strawberry creations with us at #SusanCaldwell and follow us on all of our other social media platforms for more fun recipes like this. See you soon.